So right now I'm headed actually to Jake over at Diesel Mafia Performance, because I've been having a fuel issue with my Duramax. It sucks. I didn't have this issue with my Air Dog and my old LLY, but so after I'm like, he told me to go come as less or much, or hold on, take two. Okay, he said to come with as less fuel as possible, or not that much fuel as possible, and I'm really risking it. I'm kind of scared. As long as I don't stop, I'll make it, but my truck had a hard time starting this morning. It was not hard, but it just kind of hesitated, and it was at a quarter of a tank. But I'm kind of watching it now, but as long as I keep going, as long as I keep going, I should be fine. It's not that bad of a trip. We're almost there anyways. But I'm gonna get my fuel sump in, and that should solve all my issues, because I just hate paying for, you know, $80 in fuel and only using like $60, something like that, you know, whatever quarter of a tank is, and just kind of being scared to drive it around town. And it's kind of been an issue, especially if I want to go do something like, oh crap, this sucks. But yeah, everyone says too, you don't drive it lower than a quarter of a tank because it's diesel and stuff. But if I'm on a long trip, I don't want to be like, oh crap, cut my trip short because I have to stop and find fuel, when I can use that extra, 3-4 gallons or whatever it is. But yeah, we're gonna be there in a minute, and we'll get it on and installed and be good. Here, jeez, again. We got done, everything looks good. I'll show you in a video when I get home. But I literally, my truck's been sitting here for about 6.5 hours, so, and I got it really low, so I just wanted to test it out to make sure I didn't have that problem, because before this point I could not start my truck. It wouldn't start at all. So here we go. Oh yes, it started. Awesome. All right, I'll show you video coming up right now. So I was showing you guys, I was telling you guys that I was going to show you kind of what happened, or what was going to happen. But it's very simple and easy to put on. Jake, the hardest part, longest part took was just draining the tank, which I showed you earlier, and that took probably a good 30 minutes to empty less than a quarter of a tank. So if you have more than that, it's gonna take a while. But and then just earlier in the video you showed you just drill a small hole and whatnot, and then made it bigger. So just make sure too, we had a trouble a little bit with the letters. Right, let's see. There's a little, you can see right there, right there. Well, obviously it's not smooth, so it started leaking as soon as we put a little bit of fuel in. So, but we got that all situated, and it's been 3 days since I put it in. Have not had any leaks, nothing. So everything's going good. Actually, pump sounds a little quieter. which for me, it doesn't make a big difference if it's loud or not, because it kind of, to me, the lip pump sounds pretty cool. It just sounds, I don't know, it just sounds different, and it's cool. I don't know, I like how things work and what, you know, stuff. But yeah, it's a DRP right there, and then we just went up there and to the pump. The return line we just blocked off. It's somewhere right here. If I can find it, hold on. Okay, so what we did is, this is kind of part of the part I was kind of wondering about, like, because it was already hooked up to this, so all we did was just kind of crimp it together, so it's just out of the way. It's not doing anything, doesn't get anything, it's zip tied pretty tight. So let me get out of here again. Okay, so, but yeah, everything went good. Everything's fine. It actually, now I can actually drive, use that last 4 or 5 gallons of fuel, and don't have to worry about it anymore. I literally, like I showed you in that one video, it would start up immediately. Like if it was that low before, it wouldn't start at all. I would never let it get that low, but obviously, like I said, everyone tells you don't let these get down a quarter of a tank just because it's bad for everything. Gas, trucks, whatever. It's just always hard on your pump or fuel systems. But also too, we grinded this down because this is another future mod that I'm going to do, because I'm going to get the wheel liners so it protects it more and it just looks a lot cleaner. So when you do it right here on the second bolt, it will stick out if you want to do a liner. But I mean, everything ran great. It's awesome. So hope you enjoy. Like I said, subscribe, share, do what you guys do. Get it out there and try to make more videos for you, and hopefully have one coming up later this week.